Suara Teknika, media informasi dan edukasi lewat radio Suara Teknika. Mari belajar, kita berkarya menjadi yang terbaik di udara lewat radio Suara Teknika. Satukan cita, wujudkan mimpi di SMK Negeri 3 Singaraja lewat radio Suara Teknika. Mari belajar, mari berkarya, satukan langkah, jangan pernah menyerah. Mari belajar, kita berkarya menjadi yang terbaik di udara lewat radio Suara Teknika. Satukan cita, wujudkan mimpi di SMK Negeri 3 Singaraja lewat radio Suara Teknika. Mari belajar, kita berkarya menjadi yang terbaik di udara lewat radio Suara Teknika. Satukan cita, wujudkan mimpi di SMK Negeri 3 Singaraja lewat radio Suara Teknika. Lewat radio Suara Teknika.
The best mix of music.
107.7 FM.
Good morning, Technica friends. Back again in every Wednesday. As usual, we have Stereo It is Temsi on English on radio. So, how are you today? I hope you are all doing well today. Okay, with me, Irfan as the host, and I will accompany you for 30 minutes ahead. Okay, here beside me is our guest. She will be prepared for today's program. Okay, let's get more about her. Okay. Hello, Sinta. How are you today?
Hello, Irfan. I feel very good today. And how about you?
I'm fine. Oh, this is your first time being invited to Radio Suara Teknika. How do you feel?
Honestly, I'm actually a little bit nervous because this is the first time I've been invited to this program, and it is in English. It makes a little bit anxious too.
Don't worry, I'm still learning also. Okay. Have you had breakfast?
Yes, of course.
Okay. May I know what you had for breakfast today?
My breakfast today is chicken porridge. And how about you? Have you also had breakfast?
Of course, I had bread this morning. Okay, first of all, can you introduce yourself to the audience? What's your name, your major, and what class you are in?
Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Nilusinta Sriwidiani. You can call me Sinta. I'm from the TKP department, and now I'm at stage F or 11th grade.
Okay, Sinta. So you are majoring in TKP. It is building construction, right?
Yes.
Okay. There are many other schools choices in Singaraja. But why choose SMK Negeri 3 Singaraja compared to other schools?
I chose to study at SMK Negeri 3 Singaraja because it suit my interest and because the major I want to take is only at SMK Negeri 3 Singaraja.
You mentioned that you major in TKP. Is there a reason that made you chose TKP as your major?
about that, I'm majored in TKP because I can learn more about building starting from how to make drawings, foundation, calculate estimated construction costs, measuring land, and much more.
You have some subject with me. I also have those subject. In DPB in different in major we learn more about design building. Now, who is your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher in the TKP department is Mr. Iwayan Sumayasa and other teachers too.
Why do you like him?
Um, I like him because of his straight way of teaching. And how about you?
Okay. My favorite teacher is Mr. Mudiase because he is kind and friendly. How can you overcome your difficulties?
At TKP, we are always encouraged to ask any question if we don't know yet, and you can coordinate with teacher or friends to explain the scope of learning. We also often search for information via Google to get accurate knowledge.
Okay. I want to know, is there other girl in your class besides you?
Of course, in my class there are three girls, me and two my friends. They are Ayu and Febri. They are my best friend.
Since there are more boys in your major, how do you want to continue? Become an entrepreneur or go straight to work?
For me personally, maybe by understanding what's on their minds, learning to act firmly, and being extra patient, of course.
Now, about your future plan. After graduation, what are your plans? Do you want to continue become an entrepreneur or go straight to work?
If graduate, I plan to work first before continue to a higher degree.
Now, I want to know about your favorite subject.
My favorite subject is mathematics, you know.
Okay, I know. How do you think about English? Do you agree English is important?
About that, I strongly agree.
Why do you agree? Give your opinion.
Mm, I think learning English is very important for us because it will be useful when we work.
And can you tell me when did you start learning English?
I have studied English since elementary school.
Oh, have you ever participated in any English competition?
Oh, okay. About that, I have never participated in the competition at all.
Oh, now let's talk about hobbies. Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, of course.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is cooking.
Oh, cooking.
And what about you? What is your hobby?
My hobby is basketball. I also joined the school team. Apart from hobbies, is there anything else you often do in your free time?
I also like to listening to music,
What kind of music do you like?
K-pop music.
K-pop. Okay, okay. What is your favorite K-pop band?
Okay, my favorite band in K-pop is BTS.
Oh, BTS. I know that. Do you play games?
Yes, of course.
How do you manage your time between playing games and study?
Um, I play when I feel bored, like if I don't have schoolwork to do, or when if finished studying, I will play.
Are you part of particular organization? What kind of organization have you been part of?
Yes, of course. If just joining the MOK organization.
Why did you choose to join the MOK organization compared to other?
Because by joining this organization, I think we'll be more disciplined and be able to follow my times more.
Okay. What do you think are benefits of joining of the MOK organization?
The advantage maybe that you can gain experience and also make lots of friends.
Okay. This is last question.
Okay.
Okay. So, how do you feel after taking part in Stereo STMC?
Um at first I was quite nervous and anxious, but after falling in from that start to finish, I became better and happy to be able to take part in this program.
Okay. So, thank you for joining our stereo program today, Sinta. It's really great to have you here, and we have more information for you for more about your major.
Okay.
Okay. It is building construction or TKP. Okay. Come and join us in SMK Negeri 3 Singaraja. Thank you for all for listener in Suara Teknika and viewers in YouTube. Okay. Thank you. Bye.